Welcome back to Truthdrop. Today, let's take a journey through the fascinating history of Bitcoin, from its mysterious origins in 2008 all the way to its price today in 2025. Let's dive in. In 2008, during the global financial crisis, a mysterious creator named Satoshi Nakamoto released the Bitcoin whitepaper, a peer-to-peer digital cash system. In January 2009, Bitcoin launched, and the first-ever block, the Genesis block, was mined. At first, Bitcoin had no real value. Then in 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Haniec made history by buying 2 pizzas for 10,000 BTC. That day is now celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day. By 2013, Bitcoin crossed $1,000 for the first time. But the Mt. Gox exchange hack in 2014 caused a crash, with Bitcoin losing much of its value. Still, the community kept building, and Bitcoin survived, proving it wasn't going away. 2017 brought Bitcoin into the mainstream spotlight. Prices soared near $20,000, making global headlines. Soon after, the bubble burst, and Bitcoin fell more than 80%. But each crash only seemed to make Bitcoin stronger. During the pandemic, Bitcoin gained a new identity: digital gold. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy bought Bitcoin, while Wall Street started taking it seriously. By 2021, Bitcoin 2022 was tough. The crypto market collapsed after events like Terra Luna and FTX. Bitcoin dropped under $20,000. But in 2024, something historic happened: the approval of Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. For the first time, institutional investors and Wall Street poured billions into Bitcoin. This changed the game. Unlike before, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $73,000 in March 2024, even before the halving. That broke the traditional 4-year cycle pattern. And now, here we are in 2025. Bitcoin has reached incredible highs above $124,000 earlier this year, before correcting. As of today, August 16, 2025, Bitcoin is trading at $117,656. Despite volatility, analysts believe the brutal 70–80% crashes of the past may be gone. Instead, Bitcoin is acting more like a long-term investment asset, supported by ETFs, institutional money, and growing adoption worldwide. So that's the history of Bitcoin, from a mysterious white paper to today as a $117,000 price. A story of resilience, innovation, and revolution in money. But what do you think? Is Bitcoin truly the future of finance, or just another bubble waiting to burst? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Truthdrop for more real stories about money, business, and the future of finance.